Antspace HD5 is an integrated solution provided by Letine for large-scale hydro cooling data centers. First, as a dry cooling solution that does not require water resources, the Antspace HD5 is a preferred choice for areas with limited water availability. Through forced convection heat exchange, the Antspace HD5 can maintain efficient operation even in extreme environments, extending the lifespan of hydro cooling machines. Secondly, the layout of the dry cooling towers positioned on top of the container not only increases hash rate density, but also effectively reduces transportation costs, making large-scale deployment more economical and convenient. During on-site installation, only 4 short pipes need to be connected, resulting in minimal workload and high overall reliability, ensuring the possibility of rapid clustering. Another notable feature of the Antspace HD5 is its cooling efficiency. The stacked arrangement of the dry towers further enhances heat dissipation performance, providing miners with a more stable operating environment. In addition, the power line design of the Antspace HD5 is flexible, supporting single-side or dual-side power input, which further enhances installation convenience. When paired with Antspace, it allows for easier cluster operation and management. Letine will continue to provide more efficient, stable, and intelligent solutions, fulfilling the vision of creating a better digital world.